Hello students, now we will continue our next paragraph. What was there in first paragraph? The poetess are asking the question the why they are weaving the garments at the time of morning and in blue color. Okay, and what the weavers reply, for whom they are making the garment? They are making a garment for a newborn child. Now see the next. Weavers weaving at the fall of night, why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plums of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage veils of a queen. Got it? Now again, the poetess is asking the question to the weavers. Now this is the time of fall of night, means it is a time of evening or the time of sunset. We can say the weavers are weaving a dress at this time and this garment appears bright. So poetess question them, why are you making these garments at the time of evening? And its color is just like plums of a peacock. Plums are actually a soft feather. Okay, got it? See, weavers weaving at the time at fall of night. The poetess is saying that why you are weaving at the time of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plums of a peacock, purple and green. Plums means soft feather, I told you, na? So feather of a peacock are just green and purple in color. So the garments made by the weavers are also green and in purple color. And it is as bright as the plums of a peacock. That is soft feather of a peacock. So here is again a direct comparison between the garment color and the color of peacock plums. That is feather. Again here is a comparison. Again here is a direct comparison. See, like I told you, in simile there is a comparison in both metaphor and in simile. Both there are the comparison, but in simile there is as, so like as is there in the line. So in this line like is there, that is why here is a simile. In this line here is a simile. Got it? Soft feather of peacock are just green and purple in color. Okay. What color? Green and purple. So the garments made by the weavers are also green and in purple color, and it is bright as the plumes of a peacock. That is soft feather of a peacock. So here is again a direct comparison between the garment's color and the colors of peacock plums. That is what? Feather. So again we find here is a simile, the direct comparison. Got it? Again what we find? Again we find a simile, the direct comparison. Now in response to the poetess question the weavers. Now what the weavers are saying, we weave the marriage veils of a queen. In the response they are replying, we are preparing a dress which will be the marriage veils of a queen. Veils is veils, you can say, a piece of a fine material worn by the woman to hide the face in marriage. You have seen. So we are preparing a garment which is used at the time of marriage. Got it? Now in first stanza what is there? They are making a garment for newborn child of blue color, and in second stanza they are making a garments for what? at the time, they are preparing a garment which is used in marriage. And in what color, what is the color of purple and green. Okay, marriage veils of a queen. Here is blue color and here is in purple and green color. So don't forget this. For newborn baby we have used blue color, and for the marriage veils we have used purple and green color. Got it? This is very simple poem. If you will take the interest, then you will get the interest in this poem. Got it? Okay. In next video we will explain the next paragraph. Okay, bye.